All right, well, it's that time again. It's end of the season and time to clean up the boat. It's amazing how dirty she can get in only 3 months in the marina. So a little bit of dirt in there, definitely some dirt inside the cabin. So I'm taking the cooler out. I usually take everything out of the cockpit and then try and stow everything in the cabin over the winter. But yeah, so I cleaned the hull when I took her out of the marina before I went to Eagle Nest or Seminole, but I still got to clean the hull a little bit one more time. All right, well, that's pretty filthy. Gotta make sure you clean under that rub rail. And then also you gotta clean the inside of the rub rail, otherwise you're just putting the dirt right back on the seam there. Alright, so this is a mess, just all the stuff off the boat. There's the rudder and the motor, and got the mast sitting there. I'm gonna check the wiring before I hang it up from the ceiling for the winter. But yeah, I just want to make sure the steaming light works. But yeah, there's all the gear that I take on my trips, my tools, all my supplies. Just a lot of stuff right now, big mess, but I'll get it organized and neatly stowed for the winter. All right, so the cockpit is all cleaned out, looking good. All right, so I put a little oil on the step for the cooler, and then usually I put a paper towel in there just to keep it open so it doesn't smell when I get back to it. I haven't cleaned the floor yet in the cabin, just because I'm going to be in and out of the boat during the winter. So yeah, the boat basically has gotten you know, a wipe down, and so in the spring what I'll do is I'll do a full detailing, and you know, I'll wax the hull and I'll really scrub the insides and all the decks. But you know, this time what I just did is just wiped it down so I could put it in the garage. And of course, you know, during the winter it's gonna accumulate a lot of dust being in the garage. So all right, so back in our winter berth, I got the mast hanging up from the ceiling, and all my supplies and stuff neatly packaged away, all my spare parts, my Torqeedo batteries fully charged, and yeah, looking forward to next season and some more good sailing.